Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our future viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Spotify Rap 2024 criticized for boring design. Fans say it's a flop of the year. One user says Spotify Rap is like my annual mental health report and it's getting worse by each passing year. Spotify Rap 2024 has officially arrived, but it's safe to say not all fans are thrilled. The new design has been met with a wave of backlash as users express disappointment over its much less personalized layout. For many, this year's app feels like a step backward, with a noticeable absence of some beloved features from previous years. One of the most significant complaints revolves around the missing sound tone feature, which allowed fans to see the towns around the world that aligned with their music tastes. This year, that feature is now here to be found. In addition, users are disappointed by the absence of genre highlights, personalized playlists for top songs of the year, and the quirky visuals that made rap unique in the past. Several users have taken to social media calling this year's rap a flop and accusing Spotify of showing a lack of effort. Spotify rap flopped this year so bad, like where are the music cities, the playlist, the top genre, or the listening, or is all that? Wait for what? Spotify hashtag Spotify Rap 2024 picktwitter.com cposh WNURI. Spotify Wrapped is a bit underwhelming this year, less unconventional data with moments like in previous years, like the city matches, zodiac signs, etc. It was all very obvious. The layoffs really show here. Spotify Wrapped is underwhelming and reeks of AI. One fan stated iconic sentiments that the platform's decision-making may have been influenced by its recent round of layoffs. Others note that the visuals this year are far less creative, with one user commenting Spotify Wrapped is like my annual mental health report and it's getting worse by each passing year. Many users feel let down by the boring presentation of Wrap 2024. On tweeted this cheap looking rap, do it again Spotify, while others have demanded that the streaming gain reconsider its design choice. This year rap is like a holiday for the mentally ill fangirls. One user humorous remarked, offering a lighter take on the situation, but it's not all criticism. Despite their frustration, some users have found humor in the whole experience. When you are in the top 0.001% of listeners, you should be able to go to the artist house. One fan joked, while others shared funny reactions about their rap being a reflection on a chaotic year. Uh, with one user calling it the worst I have ever seen. When you're in the top 0.001 percent of listeners, you should be able to go to the artist's house. Some are even talking a more personal approach, claiming that their rap accurately reflects their emotional state. Spotify rap is like my annual mental health report and it's getting worse by each passing year, said another fan, further emphasizing the trend of using rap as an emotional barometer. Spotify Wrapped is like my annual mental health report and it's getting worse by each passing year. This year Spotify Wrapped no creativity voiceover. Duke Bird for December 2024. Hannah Montana. Millie Stewart carries looking at her horse blue jeans while it transforms into herself and says I am you. Millie looks puzzled video. PicTwitter.com EX88WG Comics. The first each ball, 5th July 2024. In the end, many agree that Rap 2024 feels rushed and lacks the personal touch that made previous years too fun. So fun, fans have already started to remind about about Wrapped about past Wrapped features, calling 2023's version superior in comparisons. For now, it seems Spotify will need to rethink its approach for next year to bring the magic back to the end of year celebration. Get your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.